Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lois Elaine. Today I'm excited to show you how to make your very own surprise box or explosion box. So I'll be teaching you how to turn this into this. So we will start with just one pattern, okay? Here are the following materials that you will be needing in this project. Some printed papers or design papers, 12 by 12 cardstock or any thick paper, some recycled papers to use as the pattern, scissors, cutter, scoring tool, and any kind of adhesives like glue or tape. Let's start! Okay, so una, gagawa muna tayo ng pattern, and yung pattern na yun alone will make the entire surprise or explosion box. So, mamimili tayo kung anong gagamitin nating paper for the pattern. No need para magsukat kung anong saktong measurements kasi freestyle lang tong gagawin natin, as in from scratch. So, napili ko tong packaging ng Gomo SIM card. Parang gusto ko yung size niya. So, kuha kayo ng pencil. And then, baklasin na natin tong Krispy Kreme packaging. Ayan. Tapos, i-trace lang yung nakuha nyo or napili nyong pattern sa paper na recycled. And now, we're going to cut it. So, mas madaling gumawa ng explosion box from making your own custom pattern. Pwede nyo baguhin yung size using different kinds of papers that you want to recycle. I suggest using a thick paper para kahit anong trace nyo, hindi siya kagad malulukot. You can use anything that you have available and you will use that one pattern to make the entire box. So, tignan lang natin kung pantay and then trim it kung hindi. I think this is good. So, yan. Get your 12 by 12 cardstock paper or any paper that you want to use. So, just align it to check if hindi siya lalagpas once you traced your pattern. So, sa gitna tayo mag-start and then get your pencil and trace only 3 sides. Okay? 3 side lang muna. Now you're gonna shift the pattern sideways. Ayan. And then trace it again. And then do this to the remaining 2 sides. Now, after doing this, it should look like this. Para siyang tic-tac-toe, pero malaki yung nasa middle part. Now, take your pattern and then align it to the outer lines and then trace the 3 sides again. Do this to all sides of the box.
My love, completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul.
Then cut.
You have my whole, you have my control.
So after cutting, ganito na yung itsura niya. Diba? So nice. Now you want to take your scoring tool to make an indent para maganda yung fold niya. So do this on all sides. If wala kayong scoring tool, pwede kayong gumamit ng lumang ballpen o kaya yung pangganchilyo na tool. Yung embroidery hook, pwede nyo gamitin yun. Now, erase lang natin yung mga markings para professional looking yung box. Now we fold it. After folding all of the sides or all 4 sides, it should look like this. So, tada! Tapos na yung first layer natin. Now take your pattern again. And you can mark this as your first pattern. Kasi gagawa pa tayo ng isa. So, take your pattern, your original pattern, and then kunin nyo yung recycled paper nyo. Tapos, i-trace nyo lang yung unang pattern. So, magiging dalawa na yung pattern nyo. And then, cut it. So, after cutting your second pattern, kita nyo pantay sila. So, ang gagawin mo, babawasan natin siya to the desired size that you are happy with or your preference. Ito yung magiging second layer ng box. So, as you can see, I'm happy with that. So, pwede na yun. Yan. Now, you want to take your second paper. I highly suggest that you use papers with thickness like 200 GSM and above. Yung GSM, if you didn't know, yun ay short for grams per square meter in paper. Yan. So, makapal na yung 200 GSM above. Usually, yun yung mga ginagamit pang card or invitations. So, yun ang suggested kong thickness ng paper pag gagawa kayo ng explosion box. Para maganda tignan, matibay, sturdy, gano'n. Pwede rin yung mga folder or illustration board. Okay, so after cutting your second layer, so set aside na natin yun. We will score it again on all 4 sides. So, nakakapaniwala ba kayo kanina, pattern lang. Ngayon, meron na kayong 2 layer ng box. So, very customizable siya. Once na gumawa kayo ng sarili niyong pattern, madali na lang gumawa ng explosion box. Sa iba kasi, nahihirapan sila pag tinatanong nila ako kung paano ko nagawa. Nahihirapan sila kasi magmamark sila ng palatandaan and then ilaline nila ng ruler. So, kaya, pag kita nila, hindi pantay-pantay. So, ito, mas madali na to. Basta make sure na yung gagamitin mong paper para sa pattern and para sa box, yung makakapal na paper. Ayan. So, we are just marking my second and first pattern. Now, you wanna take your smaller paper or 8x8 paper. So, nilalapat ko lang kasi na curl siya kanina. Ngayon, we are going to make the cover of the box. And to do that, you just trace the center base of the first layer. So, fina-fold ko lang yung panels niya. Tapos, tinatrace ko lang ng pencil. So, ingatan nyo lang na wag magalaw yung layer para pantay yung pagkakatrace ng cover ng box. Now, after tracing, kita ba? So, kuha tayo ng ruler. Itong ruler ko, saktong 1 inch yung lapad niya. So, since matangkad yung box natin, i-trace ko muna tong ruler ko sa side ng center ng box. Ayan. Tapos, magte-trace ako ulit. So, bali, lalabas 2 inches na yung side ng cover ng box. Ayan. Pero babawasan ko to kasi masyadong mahaba naman yung 2 inches. So, trace ko muna all over. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo nasusundan, you can pause the video for a while para habang nagtitrace kayo and nagugupit, makakasabay kayo sa akin. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe para naman dumami tayong family dito sa channel ko. So, thank you. And I hope you'll find my video informative. And of course, sa mga matagal ko ng customers, this is your chance to make your very own explosion box. Kung ayaw nyo gumawa ng explosion box, pwede naman kayong bumili sa akin kasi gumagawa rin ako nito. So, if you want to try it for yourself, here is the tutorial. But if wala kayong time, pwede kayong bumili sa akin. So, after scoring the sides of the cover, fold lang natin siya. Ingatan nyo lang kasi pag masyadong OA yung pagkaka-fold, minsan parang napupunit din yung paper. Kahit gaano ka thick, minsan nagiiwan siya ng mga line. So ito, binabawasan ko lang ng 1/2 inch yung gilid ng cover. So this time, minamata ko na lang yung distance niya. Ayan. Kasi sa kakagupit ko, parang may nakikita na akong invisible line. Ayan. So, tinitrim ko lang kasi masyadong mahaba yung gilid ng cover natin. Ayan. So, after doing that, fold na natin ulit. Okay. And then, you want to cut each side. Ito yung magiging flap ng cover or yung flaps. Yan. Ito yung magdidikit sa sides ng cover. So, erase lang natin ulit yung mga markings ng pencil. Now, after doing that, pwede na nating sukatin kung tama lang ba yung size ng cover. Ayan. I think it looks nice. So, take your cover and trim it. Pero pwede rin naman kahit hindi na. It's really up to you. Ako binabawasan ko lang konti para maganda yung itsura niya pag naka-close na. So, it's up to you kung anong gusto mong gawin. Wala namang rules sa paggawa ng explosion box. Basta maayos, okay na yun. Okay, next, we will make the cards. So for this one, pwede rin naman plain lang yung gamitin yung paper. But I wanted to print and use my drawings as the cards for the box. So gagamitin natin for the cards yung second pattern. Ayan. So, I think this one. Ayan. So, ito yung gagamitin kong print. So, if you're wondering paano ko na-drawing yan, I drew it with my iPad. So, meron dong app called Procreate. Pwede kayong mag-drawing doon. If not, pwede rin naman doon sa mga note, parang note app. So, here I am just tracing my second pattern side by side. And then I just line it with a ruler to make a pocket. So after tracing the second pattern, I made a triangle sa second box natin. So ika-cut ko na to. So cut along the lines, cut the triangle as carefully as you can. After cutting this, you can score it. So you can fold it. Okay. And then fold the cards together like this. Or maybe the other way around. Ayan. Mas gusto ko to. So turn it around. Trim the excess triangle. And then cut this side only. And then sa gitna. After cutting those, pag flip nyo, ayan. Yan na yung magiging flap natin pang close ng card. So, pocket card na siya. Wait lang. Ayan. Tchanan! Meron ka ng pocket card. So, I'll make another one like that, pero iba naman yung style. So, just trace the second pattern again. And on the top side, gagawa tayo ng pocket niya. So, mga quarter ng second trace natin. Ayan. And then, huwag niyong sagarin yung sa gilid. Kasi yan yung magiging flap to close the pocket. Yan, para siyang letter T. Magiging letter T siya. So, fold ko muna para makita ko yung line. So, just cut. Trim if necessary, kung hindi pantay. So, tada! Okay. You have your second pocket. So, I'm just scoring at the side para ma-close yung flap. But before closing it, parang gusto kong lagyan ng accent. So, I'll just punch it out with half a circle. So, para siya magiging hinge. Tada! So, dalawa na sila. So, ibang pattern naman. We will make a opening card. So, score at the top and trace at the side. After cutting it, just fold it like this. And just cut it again. So it should look like this. To make the fourth card, score it at both sides of the pattern. Take your pencil and trace the top part. And then trace the top part again. This will turn into a window card or a gateway card. So we're going to trim off the excess paper. Fold it. Fold both sides. And see kung hanggang saan lang yung gusto mong mag-overlap. Binabawasan ko lang kasi masyado mahaba. And do it on the other side. And para cute, lalagyan ko siya ng border decoration. So I'm just using my Martha Stewart puncher para cute siya tignan pag naka-close. After doing that, it should look like this. Cute. This time, we're going to adhere the cards to the box. So take your handy dandy double-sided tape and just put it. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng glue gun or glue stick. And now it looks like this. Tadaan! So pwede nyo nang lagyan ng pictures or ipitan ng letters and cards. Now for the second layer, I wanted it to have some decoration sa gilid. So I'll just take another border puncher. This time, mga rose naman siya. Nasira ko. Nasira ko pa. Napunit ko pa. Now here, sinusukat ko yung mga pre-made kong envelope. And I think this is the right size. So just take any paper. I think this one naman. Plain naman. Plain. So iti-trace ko lang siya. Itong envelope pattern na ito, ginagamit ko to for my packaging sa mga circle flakes for journal kits. That's why it's so small. So, diretsong score na. Ini-score ko na kagad yung sides ng envelope para madali na lang i-fold after cutting. I'm adhering the sides to close the envelope. And now, just fold it, and now they should be okay. When in here, they look like that. So, lagyan natin ng decoration yung envelope using the leftover printed papers. Actually, you can use any type of paper you want. Pwedeng special paper, glitter paper, anything you want. In this case, I'm using my printed drawings to use for my project. So these are message boards. Dito kayo pwedeng magsulat or maglagay ng picture. So I am making a decoration for the cover. Gusto ko may liner siya, so ito trace ko lang yung cover sa printed paper. So just fold it para makuha mo yung sides. So madali lang, just keep on tracing your box to make other paper liners like this one para may design naman yung cover. So in case na mas malaki pa dun sa cover mismo, just trim it. Very, very light. You can also punch out using a border puncher to add design or flair to the paper and adhere it. So I'm using my tape, and now it looks like this. Now we're going to adhere the sides of the cover. Don't forget to score it and fold it para talagang dikit na dikit siya. Now it's time to adhere the second layer to the outer layer. Again, you can use glue or glue gun if you want. Now here comes the fun part. Magde-decorate na tayo ng box. So tinitingnan ko lang kung ano yung magandang gamitin. Ay hindi, gusto ko lagyan ng parang signage sa gitna. So I'm just I'm just using my Gomo SIM card. Ang cute kasi, ang liit eh. So ginamit ko na lang siyang pattern. After tracing it and scoring it, kinakat ko lang, and then I will fold it at the middle. You'll see what I'm talking about kapag nakat ko na siya. Para siyang maliit na signage yung lagi natin nakikita sa mga cafe, gano'n. Ayan. O kaya mukha siyang calendar, yung tumatayo mag-isa. So, i-secure ko lang to ng tape. Tape lang muna. Kasi guglugan ko siya mismo sa box para mas matibay. Kasi kung double-sided tape lang din, baka matanggal. So I'm just going to use some of my paper ephemeras and embellishments that I have on stock. You can use anything you want. You can use pictures or chipboards. And now it looks like this. Ang cute! Ang cute. So ito na itsura niya after decorating with my ephemeras and embellishments. Now I'm just going to add some flowers that I have available. And I'm just imagining it kung ano kaya yung magandang colors na ilagay. So, you can also make your very own paper flowers. Mag-trace kayo ng circle and then nag-swirl siya paloob ng paloob. And then, you can cut it. If you know what I'm talking about, parang lahat marunong gumawa na yung parang flower siya, bilog lang. Tapos paloob ng paloob yung ikot. Tapos yun yung gugupitin mo. After cutting it, i-roll mo lang yung pinakadulo ng paper. Pag naikot mo na maigi, mukha na siyang flower. If you want a tutorial on how to make your very own paper flower, just let me know in the comment section below. And now we're done. This is it. Ta-da! So I hope you enjoyed and you had fun creating this project with me, and obviously if I can do it, you can too. So let me know what you think, and I hope you really love this one. So again, maraming ways how to make your own, and I really do hope for you to try it yourself. Before buying new materials, pwede muna kayong mag-try and mag-practice using all of the available materials you have at home. Remember, you can always reuse these patterns to turn into this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe kasi marami pa akong mga videos like this na gagawin in the future, and I would really wish for you to see them. Oh, if you have any suggested tutorials that you want me to make in the future, just let me know in the comment section down below. So, thanks again and bye!